I always listen to Dimitri. I sit there and think about like just the amount of knowledge that Big ID and just his team has of all of those connectivity to all those data warehouses, all of those different things that he just had to think about. You got to pare that down to the business to go, what is your starting point? That's the beginning of the program. So, I always drive this back to, we used to have an ISO 27001 practice. And getting certified to ISO always starts with a very defined scope of the program. And then from there, you build the control set around it. It is no different with a DSPM or a data-centric program with these tools. Typically, what we're coaching our clients on is essentially what's that initial scope that you want to wrap your arms around? What are the data stores? What are the data types? What's the business unit? Which business unit actually wants to have this pain inflicted upon them? Because the moment that you start those scans, the moment you press the button, you're creating work for that team. And it's not just the security team. Now I'm reaching out to maybe a medical records team inside a massive healthcare organization. And I'm asking them, hey, you know what? We just ran this scan. There's some cleanup to do. So typically it's all about scope, participation of who's going to have to be in the scope, and then who's actually going to be participating in the remediation, reporting and metrics. How does this get reported back? How can you prove that this expenditure that you're making is, one, reducing risk, and there's actually a return on investment?